Hey guys, I'm gonna do a Doc McStuffins Puzzles. Let's start. Alright, so I didn't realize that Grayson had never done a Doc McStuffins. So, at least on the puzzle app. So, let's go ahead, just like we've done in the past. We're gonna do one on easy, one on medium, and the rest on hard. Alright, let's go easy. Okay, now there's my corner pieces. They're my favorite. They help make this so much easier. And the fact we kind of have the picture in the background really helps a lot. But as you may know, doing the corners and the sides kind of really help make a puzzle go much faster. Oh, there's Dottie and Lambie and Chili and Stuffy and a crazy cheetah. Meow. All right, puzzle again. Now we're gonna have to make sure that we're on medium. So now we've got our medium piece. Do my corners again. On my tops. But corner pieces I like to do also because they are much easier to find. There's a lot of top pieces, side pieces, flat pieces, but corners are very detailed because they're flat on both sides, of course. So it makes it a little bit easier for me to find, and that's why I like to start with those. Oh, there's Lammy! Look at Lammy! Oh, I think that's Stuffy's feet. No, he's not moving. He doesn't like me. There we go. My top. Now let's finish out the middle. There's Chili and Dottie. That was a short video. I didn't get to ad-lib anything. All right, let's go and do a hard one. This looks like it's hard, but just to make sure, we're gonna pick it and make sure that we get it. Yeah, pretty sure that was it, but that's okay. We got plenty of other puzzles to do. On hard, there should typically there are 6 puzzles total. So, yeah, we've done 2. We're working on 3. So, my guess is that there are 12 more. Yeah, that sounds about right. 12 more. Can't wait to do all 12. We're going to be here all night. Especially if you're waiting on me to find a corner piece. Look at that. Should have seen Lammy's face. Just so you know, we're not doing 12 more pieces. We don't really have 12 more puzzles, not pieces. I did that in the last video, I think. So silly. Grayson calls me silly a lot. I tell him a few stories, and all of a sudden he doesn't want to believe me. I don't get that. Actually, as a matter of fact, he stopped asking me answers to things because I always gave him a fun answer. Life's fun. You gotta keep it fun. And now he just doesn't believe anything I say anymore. Pew! Now you have a stubborn thing in your stomach and I'm gonna pump it out. I don't believe it. I feel so much better. What? Oh, well. Yay! If you did these yourself, you would know that there is audio to the video. But because you have the joy of listening to moi, you don't get to hear it. So I like to make my own. Okay, let's see. We've definitely done the bottom right one. We've done the bottom middle one. We've done the bottom left one. That's where the little cheetah baby went running off. So let's do the top left one. Holding some babies dressed in costumes. How many of you come with me? Hey, wait. Dress in costumes other than Halloween. Like one of the things that Grayson likes to do as soon as he gets home from school is he loves getting into his pajamas. I said, Grayson, why do you always get in your pajamas? He said, Dad, because they're so comfortable. I said, oh yeah, that makes sense. So, when I say costume, it could be pajamas. Do you like to get in pajamas? Or get into a silly outfit? What am I doing with this piece? It's not time yet for the middle. Don't try to do the middle when you don't have the outside done. Okay, okay. Lay off, lay off. Let's finish Lammy's face. Let's give her an eye. We should probably find her other eye. Oh, there we go. Now she's all better and cute. This baby needs an eye. And this baby and Stuffy need their hands. Top of the head. And lastly, you're so much better and cuter than me. I know who you are. Whoa, what is it? Uh-oh, where are they going? What's going on? That looks like fun. Ah! That's scary. Where are they going? They're in a box. Oh no, are they going to get delivered by the storks? The two babies can be delivered by the storks, but not Lammy and everybody else. Let's make sure we pick hard. And loading. All right, we're going to do this old guy. Corner, and then another corner, and then another corner, and then I've got one more corner over here. You look like you match. Where's another blue piece? There's another blue. Oh. It's not the top piece. What are you thinking? I wasn't thinking. That's why I got it wrong. Don't punish me. Please don't punish me. Okay. Got my top. Let's do... Oh, wait. Where did I see it? There it is. Got some more brown. We got my bottom. You go. Not there. How about over... Yeah. Oh, it matches. And that matches. And I bet you match. Okay. Okay. Colors are green. And green and blue. And then... Where does this guy's face go? Right there. What about his elbow? Oh, no. That's his chin. He doesn't have an arm. Huh. So he can't have an elbow. Well, that's new. Let's see. What's he gonna do? 1, 2, 3. Hop in. I don't know how many arms. Can you help me find them? I seem to have lost them when I jumped. And this weird thing happens when I think about my arms. that was interesting and yet disturbing. Okay, let's make sure. Oh, it's our last one. It's Doc's house? I wouldn't call it a house. Clinic. It's Doc's clinic. Okay. I have done the corners of every puzzle we've done so far. How original. Come on. Get with it. Do something different. How about I put this piece here then? We're going to try to be different. Let's do it right here. Do this piece right here. Well, if it let me. But it was mean. Why are you mean to me, puzzle? I want to put pieces wherever they're supposed to go. And places they're not supposed to go. On the board. Not like in my mouth or in my hair or to use as shampoo. No. I'm talking about putting pieces wherever I want to on the puzzle. 1, 2, 3, go. Is the clinic open? Oh, it's open. She's opening it. Yay! It's time. Oh. Well, I mean, I guess that's all of them. So that was exciting, right? And I'm a cartoon. How cool is that? All right. Well, I hope you guys had fun watching. I know I had a blast doing this. So, maybe you can suggest another one that I do? I don't know. I think that'd be kind of cool. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep doing these and pick the ones I want to. All right. Thanks, guys. Take care of each other. Bye.